Students, in previous lectures we have discussed about the analysis. We have analyzed velocity time graph and position time graph. Now we will be going to derive equation of motion using velocity time graph. Now if we go through the velocity time graph, so first we are having this velocity and this time. Here if we are assuming initial velocity u is the initial velocity, and at time t equal to 0, this velocity at time t equal to 0, initial velocity time, and object moves to a velocity this, which is say at time t equals to t, we can say this. At time t equal to t, this is time and this is the velocity. We have taken into consideration the velocity time graph. We have gone through the velocity time graph. Okay. So if we go through the velocity time graph, here initial velocity u, and after t time we are getting a velocity, final velocity, that is at time t equals to t. Okay. Now if we go through its slope, what is this? This is u and this is v. So this will be, say I can call it as a O, say it is A, say it is B, say it is C, and this point as a D. Here we are having this as a slope, and slope of the velocity time graph. Velocity time graph. Now velocity time graph जो है slope में हमको क्या देगा? तो this is perpendicular and this is base. So perpendicular, that is v minus u upon t. This is v minus u, and here it is at time t equal to 0. It is starting at this point at time t equals to t. We have taken this. So what we are getting here? V minus u upon t, which is giving us a, that is acceleration. A, which we can call it as an acceleration. Okay. So this time graph, this velocity time graph, in this we have taken this slope. It is going to be at, which is equals to v minus u, and we can say v is equals to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion. This is the first equation of motion. We can say equation 1. Equation 1, and this is the first equation of motion. Now we have taken this slope. This slope may be from here also. We can take it from the origin, from the straight line, from the origin. If it is a straight line, we can also calculate the slope, and that slope is going to give us this. Now in this case, if we go through its area, what we are going to have, that we will see now. इस वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ के एरिया में हमको क्या मिल रहा है वो हम देखते हैं. तो एरिया ऑफ द वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ, अब यहाँ पे हम एरिया देखें तो ये जो है ये कौन सा एरिया बना रहा है, इसको हम देखें. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग OABC as a trapezium. OABC is a trapezium, and when we are talking about trapezium, then area of the trapezium we must know. Area of the trapezium हमको पता है, what is that? 1/2 sum of the parallel sides, sum of parallel side into height, that we can say are the distance between these two parallel lines mathematically. Now the sum of parallel lines, it is equals to u, and this is totally v, so we can have here, it is, I am writing it here, u plus v upon 2, and it is at t equal to 0 and at equal to time t, so this will be the time t. Okay, so finally what we have got? We have got this. Now area of velocity time graph. So when we are talking about area of velocity time graph, now we are multiplying velocity with time. It is the displacement or the distance, and we are assuming that during this it has covered s. We can say s is the distance covered. We can write it here. I am writing it here as distance covered during distance covered from t equals to 0 to t equals to t. So here what we have got? We have got this s is equals to u plus v upon 2. Now if we see v is equal to, just we have got u plus at, so we can substitute this u plus at upon 2 into time t. So it is equals to 2 times u plus at, we can divide individually 2 into t. So here what we are getting, I am writing it here, s is equals to u, 2 to 2 cancels, so it is u and multiplied with t, and 1 upon 2 a t square. So here what we have got a relationship between initial velocity and time taken and the distance covered and the acceleration which is assumed or which is taken by the object. Okay, so finally we come to second equation of motion, that we can say it is a second equation of motion. Okay, now see here we have got this average velocity and time. Here I am going to have the third equation. How we are getting this third equation? Third equation हमको कैसे मिलती है उसको हम देखते हैं. We have got here s is equals to u plus v upon 2 into t. This is the relationship which we have got through the area of the trapezium. Now see here, this is the average velocity. This is the average velocity. Okay. Now see here, this time if we are having, we know this equation v is equals to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion. Now if we want to know the time t, what we have to do? We have to take this v minus u, which is equals to a into t. V minus u upon a is equal to t. So again what we are having, s is equals to u plus v upon 2 into v minus u upon a into t. So finally we can conclude it with this v square minus u square. Now this t which we have already replaced by this, that we need not to write. तो हमको यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है? What we are getting here, 2as. So this third equation of motion, which we can write it here, third equation of motion, two a multiplied with this 2as, which is equals to v square minus u square, or we can write v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion which we are getting. So by using velocity time graph, we can derive the equation of motion, first equation of motion, second equation of motion, third equation of motion. We have already analyzed the velocity time graph, we have also analyzed the position time graph, and finally we can derive the equation of motion using this velocity time graph. Okay.